If you're considering using Remitly for transferring money, there are 12 things you should know before making your decision. While Remitly is a popular app for money transfers, there are other options out there, like PayPal, Wise, or Western Union, so it's essential to understand what makes Remitly stand out or fall short. First thing, the speed of transfers. One of Remitly's key selling points is its fast service. They offer two options, Economy and Express. With Express, the money can arrive within minutes, while economy transfers might take 3 to 5 business days. This is faster than competitors like Western Union, but not as quick as Wise, which focuses on instant transfers when possible. The second thing is the cost. Remitly's pricing structure can be a bit tricky. Fees depend on the transfer amount, destination, and payment method. For example, using a debit card often costs more than a bank account transfer. Compared to Wise, which offers more transparent fees, Remitly's charges can sometimes feel a bit high, especially for express transfers. Next thing to know is the countries it serves. Remitly operates in over 135 countries, which is impressive, though PayPal and Western Union cover more locations. If you're sending money to less common destinations, you might want to check out alternatives. The fourth thing to consider is payment methods. Remitly allows payments via debit credit cards, bank transfers, and cash. However, not all payment methods are available in every country. This is something that other services like Wise tend to do better with, offering a broader selection of payment methods in more places. Next up, recipient options. Remitly offers a variety of ways for your recipient to receive money, including bank deposits, cash pickups, and mobile wallet transfers. However, compared to Western Union, which offers an even wider range of options like home delivery in certain countries, Remitly can feel limited. The sixth thing is the user experience. Remitly's app is easy to navigate, but it's not as polished as some competitors. Wise, for instance, offers a more seamless experience with fewer steps to send money, which might make it more attractive if you're looking for convenience. The seventh thing is customer support. Remitly offers 24/7 support via chat or phone. The service is generally responsive, but some users report longer wait times during peak hours, which is an issue that many users find with Western Union as well. The eighth thing to consider is security. Remitly uses encryption and complies with regulatory standards, so your transfers are secure. This puts it on par with other services like PayPal, which also focus heavily on security measures. The ninth thing is how easy it is to track transfers. Remitly provides real-time tracking, so you can monitor the progress of your transfer. However, Wise often offers more detailed tracking and updates, which might make it a better option for those who want more transparency. The 10th thing to know is its mobile app. Remitly's app is well rated, but it doesn't have as many features as some alternatives like PayPal, which allows for much more than just sending money, such as bill payments and purchase options. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution, this could be a factor to consider. The 11th thing is the limits on transfers. Remitly does have transfer limits, but these vary based on your country of origin and the payment method used. If you're sending a large sum, check your specific limits, as Wise offers more flexibility with larger transfers. Finally, if you're looking for the best value for your money, Remitly is a solid option. However, if you're seeking even better fees and faster transfers, we recommend trying out our solution for free. In conclusion, Remitly is a great choice for quick, secure money transfers, especially if you're sending money to loved ones in developing countries. But if you're looking for lower fees and more options, it might be worth checking out the alternatives.